Hey everyone, my name is Nate. I'm a product manager at Sphero, and I'm here today to share RvR+ with you all. RvR+ is our most advanced programmable robot yet. Out of the box, RvR+ is drivable and programmable just like all of our other robots. But where RvR+ sets itself apart is the ability to expand upon and to do more with it. With Microbit, with a Raspberry Pi, or even our own littleBits Rover Topper kits, you can do some really great inventing, engineering, and programming for the most advanced programmers in your school. You may notice that RvR+ looks a little bit different than the original Rover. And you're right, it is different. We've heard your feedback about our previous Rover, and now we have implemented some of those changes into the RvR+ to make it a better programming experience in the classroom. When you connect your RvR+ to the Sphero EDU app, you will notice some of the new improved programming experiences that you can have with RvR+. On top of that, we've also included some physical hardware improvements to the robot as well. Some of the hardware improvements that we've made are an improved color sensor on the bottom of RvR+. This improves your color accuracy in programming. The gearbox has been improved to increase torque, payload capacity, and durability to take your inventions in the classroom even further. We've also improved our battery so that the power management is taken care of and that battery lasts longer for you. So let's take a look at what's inside of the box when you receive your RvR+. The RvR+ is an assembled robot packed with all of the sensors for you already. You don't have to do any building out of the box. You're also going to be met with color cards. As I mentioned, there's a color sensor with RvR+. The color cards allow you to use color as part of your programming. There's a battery door key, and you're also going to be met with a roll cage and what we call the developer's plate. The first thing you're going to want to do is get your RvR+ powered up. Let's put the battery inside. You'll take the battery door key and you're going to unlock the battery compartment. As you slide that open, you'll be able to take your RvR+ battery. You'll notice there are 4 LEDs on the battery itself. It'll show you this charge level of your battery. When you slide it in, you're going to push it until you hear a click. You can then close the door and lock that door back up with the battery key. And now, when you power on your Rover, it'll be ready to go. So let's add the roll cage to your RvR+. At the very front of your RvR+ is a red button to release the cover plate. Place your roll cage on top, snapping in all 4 corners, and then you're going to just put the backside in and push the front back in, and you'll hear a little click. Now that you've added the roll cage to your RvR+, you're ready to get programming. So let's talk about RvR+ for our more advanced students who want to take their programming even further. If you remove the roll cage from the RvR+, there are going to be 2 ports that you'll notice that are exposed for RvR+ when you lift this door. There's a USB port and there's also a UART port. The USB port allows you to power things and draw from the RvR+ battery like a Microbit or a Raspberry Pi. And the UART port allows you to connect RX and TX pins to a Raspberry Pi to program your RvR+ with Python in the Raspberry Pi platform. The developer plate has a lot of different slots and holes for you to be able to mount your hardware in a lot of different configurations. It goes on top of the RvR+, just like the regular cover plate. Now, if you have bought a RvR+ multi-pack, it comes with 6 boxes, so 6 RvR+s in all of the items that you'll see on this table, and it also includes the RvR+ Educator Guide. The RvR+ Educator Guide has 8 lessons to get you started right out of the box with your multi-pack. So that's RvR+. Whether you have novice students or advanced students, this robot's the one for you.